Welcome to the VW T-ROC R-LINE, and this is a demo at 679,900. Is this the compact SUV you should buy over the Polo GTI? In this video, we will review the VW T-ROC, launch it, drive it, and explore some of its features, and of course, decide whether this is the VW you should buy over a Polo GTI. This particular vehicle is in the pure white color. However, my personal favorite still remains the lapis blue metallic. If you haven't yet done so, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to the channel for more dope content like this. By the way, subscriptions are free, so hit that subscribe button. At the end of the day, you won't be disappointed. The VW T-ROC lineup consists of the 1.4 TSI design model starting at 586,000 rands and the 2-liter design model starting at 652,600 rand, followed by this, the 2-liter TSI R-Line starting at 687,100. Just for reference, a Polo GTI has a recommended selling price of 527,700, but good luck getting it at that price. The Polo GTI you will want will probably cost you just above 600,000 rand, which brings you closer to this. Underneath the hood lies a 2-liter turbocharged engine putting out 140 kilowatts of power and 320 Newton meters of torque. The engine is mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox and power is put to the ground through the VW 4Motion all-wheel drive system. Let's make this practical and see what this engine is all about. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in about 7.2 seconds, which is a respectable time for a car in this class. A Polo GTI takes 6.7 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. The T-ROC is only 0.5 seconds slower than a Polo GTI. This vehicle comes with launch control, and with launch control, the vehicle pulls quite well on takeoff. So, to activate the launch control, you have to go to the vehicle settings and then into ESC settings and select ESC Sport, slam on those brakes and foot on the metal. Up front, the vehicle features a distinctive R-Line front bumper with large air intakes and LED fog lights. The car also has a sporty honeycomb grille with the signature R badging on it. My favorite feature is the iconic IQ LED headlights. The side profile features a coupe-like profile and sloping roofline. The car features black wheel arches which goes well with the blacked out 19-inch alloy wheels. My personal favorite is the carbon fiber effect on the C-pillar. You have blacked out window trims and mirrors and blacked out roof rails. I like the black and white color contrast, it just goes well with this car. At the rear, you have the R-Line sporty rear bumper with an integrated diffuser. The only downside to the rear are these fake exhaust pipes. The car features LED tail lights and a roof spoiler which gives the vehicle an overall sporty and aggressive look. Before getting into the interior, let's drive this vehicle. Off the bat, the 2-liter TSI engine proved to be a strong performer. This engine pulls strongly from low revs and there is no turbo lag to speak of. It's amazing what VW has done with this engine and gearbox combination. The T-ROC R-Line is a comfortable and engaging car to drive. The suspension is well tuned, providing a good balance of comfort and handling. The steering is precise and responsive and the car feels blunted on the road. In urban driving scenarios, the T-ROC R-Line proved to be a good car for city driving. The engine is responsive and the DSG transmission shifts smoothly, making it easy to drive like a VW driver. This DSG gearbox is smooth and seamless, even in sport mode. You have PDC sensors and a parking camera to make sure you are able to park the vehicle with ease. You also have the autonomous park assist system to assist if you really need help with parking. The resolution on the camera is not so good. Rivals like the Haval Julian S as well as the Omoda have better cameras. But who needs a camera anyways? Because VW drivers can drive, right? On the highway, you will experience some tire noise courtesy of the 19-inch low-profile tires, but that's a fair sacrifice for a car like this. The vehicle is confident and stable at high speeds. The engine is powerful enough to overtake with ease. The vehicle's all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction at all times. All you have to do is put your foot down and drive. Safety features such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control with following distance settings make this vehicle enjoyable to drive, especially because as a VW driver, no one is allowed to be in front of you. When it comes to fuel economy, the T-ROC R-LINE is relatively fuel efficient for a car in this class. The official combined fuel economy is 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which is about average for a small SUV. With a VW product, you're more likely to come close to that fuel consumption figure. The DSG transmission keeps the revs down for good fuel economy. However, if going fast is what you want to do, well, it won't disappoint. In my opinion, the VW T-ROC 2-liter TSI is a good car with strong engine performance, a comfortable ride and good fuel economy, and would surely make a good choice for both city driving and highway cruising. Welcome to the interior of the VW T-ROC R-LINE. The T-ROC R-LINE features a stylish and well-equipped interior. You have supportive and comfortable R-LINE leather-wrapped seats with the letter R. The driver's seat is electrically adjustable with 3-way memory settings. As a quick reminder, setting number 1 must be at the VW driver mode. Setting number 2 must be for the second driver. And then setting number 3, relaxation mode. Always remember that. The passenger seat is not electric. I guess your passenger will be grateful for being in here in the first place. The leather-wrapped sports steering wheel features gear shift pedals and touch-sensitive buttons. The vehicle features an 8-inch digital instrument cluster which allows you to toggle between different driver displays, PlayStation style. You have an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. You will have to upgrade to the Beats audio system to get enhanced sound quality for your Spotify tunes. For an additional $4,900, you can change between driver modes of Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. This vehicle features the panoramic sunroof which will cost you 16,000 rands. Oh, and those black rims and black mirrors will cost you an additional 15,400 as part of what is called the Black Style package. To get this car as it stands, well, you're looking at 97,000 rand worth of optional extras, bringing your total cost to 784,350. 97,000 rand worth of extras. Rear passengers are treated to comfortable seats. I am 1.86 meters tall and leg room with the front seat in my sitting position is tight at the rear. Headroom is not an issue though. It is a compact SUV and would be better suited for a single person or someone with a small family. The vehicle features ISOFIX anchor points for your toddler's child seat. I must say that the black lining makes it a bit dark in here, but all is not lost as long as you can get the panoramic sunroof. The vehicle comes with dual climate control as standard and can be operated either through the touch sensitive buttons or within the screen. Rear passengers are also treated to their own air vents too. There are 4 USB charging ports in the car, 2 for the rear and 2 for the front passengers. In addition, you also get wireless charging. Practicality is not an issue. You have cup holders at the rear armrest, front center console and door pockets. The boot is electronic on this particular vehicle and boot capacity with the seats up is 392 liters and with the seats folded it's 1,237. This well-equipped VW T-ROC will set you back 784,350 brand new. However, as a demo right now, it will cost you 679,900 with all the extras you could want with only 3,933 kilometers on the clock. Now that's what I call a bargain. Cost of ownership for a brand new one will set you back 19,082 and for this demo, it will set you back 17,037. The difference in cost of ownership is about 2,000 Rand and lies within the installment. For the brand new one, you'll pay an installment of 15,337, and for the demo vehicle, you'll pay an installment of 13,292 at an interest rate of 12% over 72 months. With fuel of 1,245, assuming you'll fill up the 55-liter tank at least once a month, and an estimated insurance cost of plus minus 2,500. If you're interested in this demo car, well, hit me with my email, mzansipopularrides@gmail.com. While I'm out here, I'm busy trying to get discounts from Mzansi peeps on cars I review, so be sure to email me. There's also a possibility of fuel vouchers to be given away should you buy through the channel. A huge shout out to VW Hatfield. If you're interested in this machine, I will leave the contact details in the description below. Whilst I'm out here, if I see anything interesting, I will be sure to let you know. Well, it is now time for the Miho score. For drive and performance, the 2-liter engine provides plenty of power for everyday driving. The sporty suspension gives the vehicle a firm ride, but also makes it feel agile and responsive on the road. The vehicle can also be a bit noisy at high speed, courtesy of the 19-inch alloy wheels. And for that, we'll give this vehicle an 8 out of 10. For the interior is stylish and well appointed. The seats are comfortable and supportive. The materials used are of high quality. However, the rear seats are a bit cramped for adults, and the cargo space is also a bit limited. For the interior, I'll give the vehicle an 8 out of 10. As for the exterior, I believe we can all agree that this vehicle looks epic, and for that, I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. For safety and technology, the T-ROC comes as standard with a number of safety features and tech. However, some of the safety features are only available as optional extras. The infotainment system can be slow to respond at times, and the voice control system is not always very accurate. And for that, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. As an overall package, I'll give the vehicle an 8 out of 10. The VW T-ROC R-LINE is a good choice for buyers who are looking for a sporty and stylish SUV with a powerful engine and a variety of safety features. The VW T-ROC R-LINE therefore gets a Mio score of 40 out of 50, making it the second best vehicle on the channel. So then, is it going to be the Polo GTI or the VW T-ROC? Well, if you're looking for a toy car, get the Polo GTI. And if you're looking for something mature yet sporty and fit for all purpose, well then, get the VW T-ROC. Which one would you go for? Let us know in the comment section below.